5 exercises that will help you quickly gain weight and muscle. The rule is easy, really. To gain weight, you have to eat more calories than your body burns. You may argue that you already eat a lot, but that doesn't matter if your average calorie intake is smaller than your calorie expenditure. But diet and nutrition aside, exercise is also another effective way of gaining weight and packing more muscles. Heavy compound exercises like squat are typically the best in gaining muscle weight, which we will be tackling more later, so stay tuned. Going back, these exercises engage your body and muscles, thus boosting your body's ability to develop muscles. Number 1. Squats, 4 sets of 8 reps. Squats help build the muscles in your legs and butt, specifically your quad muscles. To do it, start with standing straight and keeping your feet hip-width apart. Place your hands on your hips and flex your abs. Then lower yourself down using your legs only until you're in a sitting position and your thighs are parallel to the ground. While you're in this position, maintain a still upper body. After this, you can raise yourself back up to your initial position. Number 2. Pull-ups, 3 sets of 10 reps. Use a pull-up bar or any sturdy cylindrical item to perform this exercise. To start, grip the bar with both hands. Your palms should face away from you and your arms shoulder-width apart. Pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar. Then gently lower yourself back until your arms are straight again. Number 3. Bench press, 3 sets of 8 reps. For a bench press, you need a flat bench and a weighted bar. Bench presses help build your muscles in the shoulder, tricep, and chest area, which are great for bulking up. Lie on your back on the bench. If there's a rack, grab the bar with both hands. You can spread your fingers more. Take the bar out of the rack by extending your arms. Next, slowly lower your arms to bring it towards your chest. Then, gently straighten your arms and lift the bar back to the rack. Number 4. Overhead press, 3 sets of 8 reps. With overhead presses, you will also need a weighted bar. This exercise focuses on bulking up the muscles in your abs, shoulders, arms, back, and legs. To start, grip the bar with your hands approximately shoulder-width apart. Raise the bar just above the front of your chest. Next, slowly raise the bar until your arms are straight. Your elbows should stay locked while your shoulders are in a shrugging position. Lastly, slowly lower the bar back to shoulder height. Number 5. Lunges, 4 sets of 8 reps. Lunges don't require any equipment as it can be done anywhere. It's great for toning and bulking up your leg and butt muscles. To do it, stand straight and flex your abdominal muscles. Step one leg forward and lean, like you're kneeling, until your knees are at 90 degrees angle. Lift yourself to your initial position by pushing back on your heel. Do you think you're capable of performing those exercises? Let us know what you think about this video by dropping a comment below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.